2 pieces 1157 nylon heavy-duty wiring harness with sockets. Compatible bulbs. 1157, 1016, 1034, 1152, 1154, 1158, 1493, 2057, 2357, 2397, 7528, 3496. Pre-wired socket for easy plug-and-play installation. Heavy-duty, high-efficient, heat-resistant, never melt. Please double-check the pictures above to make sure the adapter is the same as your stock to ensure proper fitting. Top reviews from the United States. Good fit. It fit my 2015 Kia Optima with some little trimming on the notches that insert in the brake light assembly. Other than that perfect product, dealership wanted $50+ for just one socket.